Here's my baby girl, Clarabella.
Yay!
Here's my baby girl, Karma. Woo! What does your note say? What does it say? What does your note say? Baby, your note you wrote me, what does it say? It says your daddy's the best. What?
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
What's this, Dad? You see
She
me?
folded up a note and gave it to me. Well, help me read it.
I love you. It's backwards.
Oh, okay.
I love you, Daddy. You're the best daddy ever.
Oh, thank you.
What's this, Dad? Look. Is that cool?
Yeah. All right, let's go in here because I got to take the gear off the four-wheeler. So we got the four-wheeler at the farm to ride. All right? The four-wheeler's at the farm. We are. Yeah.
I got two guys.
Yeah.
Because you can't come in because nobody. You can't come. No
Okay.
shoes.
Hold this for Daddy.
Ow! Ow!
Film
Ow!
me.
Ow!
You're filming me.
I'm gonna come in.
All right. I got
Ew! You got no shoes. Ow! 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 Ow!
Oh.
Go get your shoes.
All right. Let me see it. In the house in there?
Yes.
Papa's house he built?
Yes.
All right, go. Now we're in the garage, my grandpa's garage. Yeah. Oh. Here's my grandpa's race or go-karts. Me and my buddy got in trouble when we was kids. We took this one off the wall and we put gas and oil in it and rode it because they've never been driven. So me and my buddy got in trouble for that. My grandpa was mad about that. No, I don't want no lotion. He built this house, little house for the kids.
Remember I opened this?
Yeah. Here's my grandpa's Model T. He always told me it was a 1919 Model T. We don't know yet. We got to check it out. I got to find the VIN number on it.
Daddy, meet me through my window. I'm going out.
Four-wheeler my grandpa's working on. What I got to get is this piece right here. For the four-wheeler at the... Oh, it won't work. Oh, yeah, it will. Yep, I got to get this piece. Because the four-wheeler at the farm, that stripped out on the outer ring. This did. So I'm going to take this one off this one. See if it works for one at the farm. My new home. There's the girls' playhouse. Even singled it up and all.
Do you like the smell?
Yeah, let me see that lotion. Where'd you get that? Was that in there?
Yes.
Okay, don't make a mess, all right?
I'm putting out my hand.
All right.
Daddy, don't leave it.
Hold on, I'm getting Karma. There you are. You got two different boots on. Come on, here. Let's go get your shoes. Two different. You got a pair of Crocs and boots. Huh? Ready for both worlds. That's my girl. Huh? All right. Where'd you take them off at? This is my grandma and grandpa's house. We moved down to Athens to take care of their farm. So we're living at the farm now. Me and my mom and kids and my Uncle Teddy. All right. Well, I got to go for now. I'll record more later. This is the house this is their old house we're going to get rid of. My mom is. It's my mom. So I do whatever. Whatever my mom says is for the best, everybody. Listen to your mom. and Dad. Have a good day.